2017 Durango. This is round 3. Don't subscribe. Don't like. Don't give a fuck. Why are you still here? If you're easily offended, go away. Anyway, just the wiring harness for the underbody. The old one's laying there still. It goes up here. Passenger side fender well. Right behind where the tire will be. This fucking thing sits right up under here. Yeah, real fucking cute. Plugs into that and goes into the inside on the passenger kick panel. There's some kind of body control module. This part of the harness goes into that, to the inside of the car. This fucking thing. Oh yeah, check out these awesome tracks. Stupid. Let's get water in there. Guess what's not protected in there? The wires are exposed inside that plastic. Guess what happens when moisture gets in there? Water. Snow. What the fuck, man? Same with this fucking side. This goes up underneath the car. Right? Like so. The fucking wires inside there are exposed. Just like how the front is. Stupid, man. The tire, this thing fucking rides like right there. Right underneath, you know? The fucking tire throws shit right in there. How stupid. How fucking stupid. These fucking fender wells are like fucking garbage. Like they're not even fucking plastic. You can't even clean them fucking things. You know? Anyway, this fucking thing, you gotta pull this out. If you need me to tell you how to do it, you're on the wrong fucking channel. Go back to your office. Anyway, that's part of that back there. Yeah, back there, and it goes up that way. Oh yeah, check this out. Let's put a fucking turny deal in there. Anyway, water gets shot right up in there from your, I don't know if they know this, but the fucking tire mount's right there. Tire, water, rain, snow, the fuck, man, goes right up to, oh shit, electronicals. All kinds of electronicals, wires, all kinds of shit. Guess where that fucking opening is on that fender? Excuse me, I got the sniffles. Because I fucking love this shit. So the donkey dick end of that thing goes like bingo bango, like something like that. Okay, but here comes some more awesomeness. Ready? Ready? Oh man, this car is 2 years old. Look at the fucking major grounds for this fucking thing. Especially, look how fucking corroded that is. May not look bad, but what the fuck, man? Another fucking ground up there. Don't look too bad. But anyway, how long do you think that's gonna last? That fucking thing right there. Come on. Check out the engine. It's like the same kind of aluminum. Fucking Canadians. Look how fucking corroded that is. 2 years old. Dodge. Whatever the fuck that is. Fuel pump maybe. To put it on the front of the engine. Duh. I don't know what that is really. I don't fucking know. Oil filter goes under here. Yeah. So when you pull that stupid thing out, you get oil all over everything. Maybe they need it. Preservative. What else is awesome? Yeah. I've already did these turn signals. We gotta fix the connection points. Do the dielectric grease like I said. What else do we got awesome? Oh yeah, this is awesome. You want your shit to run? Honda. The tractor's 16 years old. Runs like the day I bought it. John Deere. Nice. Not that Home Depot shit either. Good stuff. Wish I could afford a Honda one of them, some bitches. Yeah. Honda. Runs like a ding dong. 1990 vintage Honda. The strap is just to hold it from falling over in case some kid climbs on it. Yeah, CR5 honey. Fucking dig a trench from here to fucking wherever you want to go. Honda. This means to avoid. Don't buy me. I am a fucking piece of shit. Fucking piece of shit. All these lights. Yeah. It's like fucking stupid amount of money. And the fucking camera, all one piece. This is like fucking their signature shit. You know, Dodge's racetrack light. Right? And they get water in them. I'll just seal it up with some kind of fucking silicone. I got some kind of fucking silicone for you. Yeah. Oh yeah. And I got a license plate light out anyway. Ganley and Bedford. Pretty awesome. Yeah. They're alright. Alright, boob tubes. Anyway, if you didn't see my other videos, that fucking taillight was out. Underneath the wiring, the underbody wiring harness was cut on part of the frame, how they run the wires, and it's zip tied up there where it like has to lay on the frame that way, and there's a sharp part of the frame, and it cut the fucking wires. Everything is fucking awesome. Anyway, thanks for hanging out, YouTube. I'm the fucking pork chop, motherfucking hillbilly. If you're offended,